Remember, just don't touch the ants.
Look, these are ant holes. Don't touch those ant holes. There's a red ant. Red ant and white.
Ichiro actually did that in the game. He got a hit off a ball that bounced. Seriously? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. And he swung at it. It was like a hit and run or something. It was a curveball.
These are red ant holes.
Oh yeah, we don't want to get by those.
Yeah, you just don't touch them.
Stick up your pants and your shoes and they bite you bad. I sat in it when I was little. Ooh, look at here's a bunch here. Yeah, we don't want to stand here. Come on, Bradley. There's ants over here.
Let's go away, right away.
The Bates are going to be known as Mr. and Mrs. Monster. Did you marry her for her hitting abilities? Her playing abilities?
That one felt pretty good. Ah! If nothing else, just that we can hit this.
That's it.
And not even that one. This one's a little oblong. I love oblong.
All the outfield is over there.
After she gets all the way over there.
You should. You don't want them to get bored out there, that's for sure.
Last one.
Oh, it was a terrible pitch too. Oh. I want one.
Better get back there then.